Now I will discuss energy stored in magnetic field. As you know, magnetic flux linked with the coil by changing magnetic field is equal to integral of B dot dA. So I will write this B equal to del cross A, where A is the magnetic vector potential. So we got phi equal to integral of del cross A dA. So using Stokes theorem, I will write phi equal to integral of A dot dl. Also you know that phi equal to Li equal to integral of A dot dl. Also we have seen W equal to 1 by 2 Li square. This is the work done. So this work done I will write 1 by 2 I into Li. So this I will write again 1 by 2 I Li. I will substitute here line integral of A dot dl. So again I will write here 1 by 2 line integral of A dot I dl. I am substituting for I j dA. So we got 1 by 2 line integral of A dot j dA dl. So dA dl I will put volume. So we get 1 by 2 volume integral of A dot j d tau. So as you know Ampere's law, del cross B equal to mu naught j. So using this relation I will put the value of j here. So after putting this we got W equal to 1 by 2 nu naught volume integral of A dot del cross B d tau. Just to write this I will use this product rule. Del dot A cross B equal to B dot del cross A minus A del cross B. So I will put this here. So using this A dot del cross B, you just simplify this and write it 1 by 2 mu naught volume integral of B dot del cross A minus del dot A cross B d tau. So as already you know del cross A B. So this B square. So we got 1 by 2 mu naught volume integral of B square d tau minus 1 by 2 mu naught surface integral of A dot A cross B dot dA. So divergence of this using divergence theorem. So divergence of this into volume integral of this we will get V dot, we can write this into dot ds. So we got volume integral and surface integral. Now if we pick larger region, the contribution of from volume integral increases and therefore contribution of surface integral will decrease. And if we agree to integrate over all space, then the surface integral will become 0. So if we agree to integrate over all space, so this will become 0 and this will increases. So this will become 0. So we got 1 by 2 mu naught integral of all space b square d tau. So we can say that here the energy stored in the magnetic field per unit volume, you get b square by 2 nu naught. This is the energy stored in magnetic field. Already we have discussed energy stored in electric field, and that is 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square. Epsilon naught 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square. Here we got B square by 2 nu naught.